which you did not understand. Is it not? Now let us form into groups, do group reading, then we will come to know those words and we'll have a better understanding of what we have read just now. Okay? So you people form into groups now. Okay, form into groups. 5 in each group. Okay children, now that you people are sitting in groups, what you do is, each one will read one sentence and the others will listen to that sentence. And if he is saying any word incorrectly, then others will help that particular students to correct the word. Is that clear? Then we will discuss about ideas. So each one of you read one sentence. Second sentence will be read by the second member of the group. Third sentence by the third member. Okay, like that you people take turns and complete that passage. Is that clear? Come on, do it now. You can make use of dictionary also. You can look at the glossary that is there on the board. Also you can turn pages and you can read the glossary from the textbook at the back of the lesson. Okay? Yes, Rohit? Any problem here? Okay, very good. Which sentence are you reading, ma? Yes. Is she reading correct? Have you read correctly? Yes, yes. Please carry on. Okay. Have you finished, children?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now we shall see what we have read. Okay? Now tell me, who is telling the story?
A boy.
A boy is telling the story. What do we call the boy or a person who is telling the story?
Storyteller.
A storyteller. Storyteller. Now, who was storyteller's classmate, friend? Yes, Shakir?
Bodhraj teacher.
Bodhraj was his storyteller's classmate. And why were Bodhraj's storyteller's friends were afraid of Bodhraj?
Teacher.
Yes, Pavan?
Always he had a catapult in his hand.
He had a catapult in his hand and the children were afraid of him. Where did the storyteller live? Yes?
In an old bungalow.
In an old bungalow. And why storyteller's friends rarely visit him? Can anybody tell me? Why this storyteller's friends? వీళ్ళు చాలా తక్కువ వస్తుండే కదా ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎక్కువ రారు స్టోరీటెల్లర్ వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి ఎందుకు
Teacher. Because his house was away from the city.
Because his house was away from the city. So what do you call away from the city? Can anybody tell me?
Outskirts.
Outskirts. Very good. It is storyteller's house was in outskirts. Why the storyteller's friend, that is Bodhraj, used to come to storyteller's house
To hunt.
to hunt. What would he hunt?
To play.
To play. Now Pavan is saying it is to hunt. So what would he hunt?
Teacher. Birds.
Birds. He would hunt down the birds. One day when Bodhraj came to storyteller's house, he saw something in the ventilator. He saw something in the ventilator. Now, did I ask you a question, Gazia? Now tell me, what did he see in the ventilator?
Teacher.
Yes, Sohel?
Minus nest.
He saw a mina's nest. What could be in mina's nest?
Teacher.
Sabha?
Eggs.
Maybe eggs. What do you think Bodhraj would do? Yes, Pavitra?
Bodhraj do shoot the birds.
Bodhraj may shoot the birds. Do you like Bodhraj?
No.
Teacher.
Don't like Bodhraj. Why do you don't like Bodhraj?
He shoots everyone.
Because he shoots the birds. Okay, children. Now I'll read the text for you. You people have read, no? From the oddest fellow to there was a miner's nest. Now I am reading it for you. You people look into the books and see how I read. Okay? Please look into your books, everyone. The boy and the catapult. The oddest fellow in my class was Bodhraj. All of us were afraid of him. He always had a catapult in his hand and was an excellent shooter. His favorite targets were birds. He would stand under a tree, take aim and shoot a pebble from the catapult. The next moment, a bird would fall down. I lived with my parents in an old bungalow on the outskirts of the city. It had garden full of trees and shrubs. Being far from the city, my friends rarely came to visit me, but Bodhraj found it a good place to hunt. Behind the house, there was a godown. This room had become a regular place of visit for birds. We hear their cooing all day. The next time Bodhraj came, he went straight to the godown. As usual, he had his catapult with him. He noticed that near the ventilator there was a miner's nest. Am I clear to you, children?
Yes, teacher.
Now some of you were not getting some words. Now are they clear to you?
Yes, teacher.
Will anyone read for me? Read aloud in the class for me? Yes? Gazia, you read.
The oddest fellow in my class was Bodhraj. All of us were afraid of him. He always had a catapult in his hand and was an excellent shooter. His favorite targets were birds. He would stand under a tree, take aim and shoot a pebble from the catapult. The next moment a bird would fall down. I lived with my parents in an old bungalow on the outskirts of the city. It had garden full of trees and shrubs. Being far from the city, my friends rarely came to visit me, but Bodhraj found it a good place to hunt.
Yes, please continue.
Behind the house there was a godown. This room had become a regular place to visit for birds. We hear their cooing all days. The next day Bodhraj came. He went straight to the godown. As usual, he had his catapult with him. He noted that near the ventilator there was a miner's nest.
Now we have seen Gazia and Pavitra reading. Okay, they were very good really, but it could be still better. Now what was Gazia doing? You tell me. Can anybody tell me?
She was read the lesson.
She read the lesson, Pavan, but was she correct all the time?
No, teacher.
No. Where did she go wrong?
Teacher, I
Yes.
lived.
She repeated the words. Okay, she repeated the words. And where she had to pause, she did not pause. You know the meaning of pause? To stop for a while. Where there is a comma, you should stop for a while. Only small movement. Full stop means complete stopping. Okay, Pavitra, even she was good, but she could be better. So tell me how can we make Pavitra and Gazia's reading better? So what do you think? Any suggestions? Yes, Sai?
He's reading fast.
She is reading very fast.
Teacher, Pavitra is reading slow.
Pavitra is reading slow. You see, so you should be moderate. You should not be very fast or you should not be very slow. Any other suggestions?
Teacher.
Yes, Sabha?
Teacher, Pavitra tell ventilator spelling wrong. That is ventilator.
Ventilator. Okay. She pronounced that word incorrectly. She should have said ventilator. Very good. ఇంకెవరమ్మా చెప్పు నాన్న
Teacher, ఒక్క వాడిని 2 సార్లు చెప్తున్నారు టీచర్.
ఒక్క వర్డ్ ని రిపీట్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో దే షుడ్ రీడ్ ఇట్ ఓన్లీ వన్స్. సో ఈ సజెషన్స్ ఓన్లీ పవిత్ర అండ్ గజియాకేనా అందరికా? అండ్ వాట్ ఎల్స్ కెన్ యూ డూ టు మేక్ యువర్ రీడింగ్ బెటర్? అర్చన?
రోజు ఇంగ్లీష్ పేపర్ చదవాలి.
Yes, you can read English newspaper. What else? Story books. Okay? Now each one will read slowly. Keep these suggestions in mind. You suggested something. Reading too fast, reading too slow, like that. Keep all those things in mind and read properly in the groups. Okay, children? Come on, continue. Read slowly.
Suggestions
Have you finished reading? Yes, teacher. That's very good. Now you keep the suggestions in mind and improve your reading by reading newspapers, storybooks, your textbooks, anything. Okay? You try and read them and improve your reading. Today we have seen how Bodhraj saw the miner's nest. What happens next and all we'll see in the next class. It was a very nice class. Thank you, children.
Thank you, teacher.